how to make the icons on the iPhone larger. But before we start, I know you've probably seen a tutorial like this in many places. However, I want to tell you that officially, on the iPhone, starting from iOS 17 and earlier, there is no direct option other than the one I will show you next. But if you have iOS 18, you can use another method. I'll explain for iOS 17 users before that, how to check your iOS version. You simply go to your settings, then go to General and go to here, directly where it says Software Update. When you enter this section, wait a moment for it to load where it says Searching for Update, and it will show you the version of iOS you have. If you have iOS 17, you can only do it in the following way. Come directly back to Settings, and here we go directly to the initial settings. We will scroll a bit until we reach Display and Brightness. When we enter this option, we will scroll down and notice that Display Size appears. This will not only increase the size of the icons on the home screen, but will also generally increase the text size on our phone, including notifications and all sorts of things. So, in that sense, it's not a very practical option, but it is the only option we would have on iPhone with iOS 17 or prior to this. If you have iOS 18, you can do the following. But first, if you want to get iOS 18 at the moment, I am recording this video. It is not generally available. It is only activated in the beta version. So, if you want to obtain it, remember that these beta versions come with certain bugs. In that sense, you would have to install this option and select where it says Beta Versions. You probably have it disabled, and you will select either the iOS Public Beta or Developer Beta, which is basically the Developer Beta. But as I said, keep in mind that this may bring errors, or you might already be watching this video when iOS 18 is completely official and everyone has it. If you have iOS 18 or any later version, 19, 20, or whichever version you are watching this video on, you will have the following option. Basically, on the home screen, you will press and hold for a few seconds in a blank space, meaning in a space where there are no icons. You will press there, and this will appear. Here, what you will do is go to the top left where it says Edit, and when you read that, this option that says Customize will appear. You will tap there, and then right here, these options will appear. As I said, if you have iOS 17, this option will not appear. So we will select Small, and as you can see, the icons automatically become smaller. If I select Large, the icons become much larger. Besides this, we have other settings, but they really don't have much to do with whether the icon is small or large, because here it's simply to assign colors to the app icons. I like to have it in light color, and you can configure the rest. Now, if you are coming from Android, you are probably expecting an option like the grid option where you can choose to see 3 icons per row or just have one giant icon on the home screen. Unfortunately, this is not available on iPhone. The closest thing is what I just showed you, being able to make the icons a little smaller or a little larger. Also, keep in mind that when making them larger, we are also losing the name of the application. As you can see, if I make it small, we can see the name of each application directly. And if I make it large, it gets lost, and we gain a larger size for the app logos. So, I hope this video has been helpful to you. See you next time.